Yo guys, bonfire in Ooty guys. We are putting a bonfire in Ooty guys. So right now in this video, I'm not gonna show you the bonfire. In the another video, when the bonfire is lighted, I will show you in that video guys. Till then, see the scenery of this area guys. It's beautiful, it's amazing. The bungalow where we are living, the scenery of outside is just amazing guys. You can see many types of different flowers are over here. If these are not enough for you guys, see my rose garden episode. You will love that. I have showed so many roses in that guys, and you can even see my episodes of this one. I'm showing you the greenery over here in Ooty guys. It's just amazing scenery over here guys. I love this place. I suggest you also to come over here in your summer vacations. If you're small and you go to school, you will love this place guys. I bet that you will like it very much. So guys, I'm not telling you to come in this bungalow. I'm telling you to visit Ooty. Bye guys, for this video this much only. Stay home, stay well. Bye guys. Bye.